Hello Makale, welcome back to Path to Expert video series. For people who are new, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and also follow me in all the social platforms. Let's get into today's video.
It's day 19 and today we'll see how to use Geolocation API. What is Geolocation API? Geolocation API is an API or a browser API which gives us the coordinates or details about our geolocation. That is our latitude, longitude and all the details. Using this API we can get the location of the user and we can do calculations in our applications accordingly. For instance, if you want to create a speedometer, there is a method called watch positions, and whenever there is a change of the location, it will trigger a function. You can determine the distance between two locations and then the time difference between the two locations and then find the speed. Likewise, using this geolocation API, you can do so many things related to locations. Let's go and implement geolocation API. If you see here, I have a very simple HTML, the one which you saw here. It just has some headings and then a button which will execute a function. The function is yet to be implemented, and then a p tag with id location. And what I'm doing here is I have created a function called update position which will get my position details as a parameter and then add it as a inner HTML data to my p element. Now let's implement our geolocation API. So function get location is a simple function which calls navigator dot geolocation dot. First we need to get current position to get the location, and it gets two things as arguments. First is the success callback and next is the error callback. For success callback I'll call my update position, and for error callback I'll just do a simple function which will console log my error. That's it. Now on click of the button, the get location should work and we should see the location. I refresh the page, I'm clicking on get my location, you can see the location now. Okay, now this is for getting the current location. How to do a regular check and get all the new updated locations? For that we have a function called navigator.geolocation.watch position. And what this watch position will do is, again it gets success and error callbacks, and within success callbacks, whenever there is a change in the location, it executes the success callback. So what I'll do, I'll execute the same update position whenever there's a change in location, and come here, refresh the page. If you see, I didn't press the button, but it already has a location because of watch position. Now let me manually go and change the location coordinates. I am opening sensors, and in the sensors I am changing my location to London, and if you see, once I change the location here, it is changing in my web page. Now I will go to San Francisco. You see here my latitude and longitude values are changing. This is how watch location will update your UI whenever there is a change in the location of the device. Geolocation API is so powerful and you can achieve so many different things if you are creative with it.
So that's it for the day Makale. Have a great day and see you all tomorrow.